What's going on? Today I'm going to be working on this beautiful baby pink baby blanket. This is 100% cotton material, and then on the other side of it I'm going to add more of like a luxurious, like softer material, and then we're going to embroider something onto it. I'm going to start off with ironing this fabric here so I can make sure I get some nice and crispy sharp lines. Iron is already on. It is actually already hot. I know that there's probably a better way to do this, and nobody judge me that I ironed straight onto this wooden table, okay? Now that I've finished sewing all the raw edges in, I'm just gonna iron it once more, just really quickly to get out any like fine lines. Next up is going to be embroidery. Don't like this, honestly. I think I'm probably gonna stick with the silver. Now that I kind of figured out whereabouts I want like my name to be, which side I want the blanket to be, try to find like what the middle of the blanket would be. And sometimes I don't know where to put the hoop, so I just put it around my neck. Easy access, you know? This is a tearaway stabilizer. From my understanding, the stabilizer is there to help keep the stitching stabilized. So I just kind of cut it so it's about the same size as this. I don't know if it's possible to use like less or to use more. Fabric itself inside the hoop should be like pretty taut. Sorry that I'm filming it kind of like this. I don't know how to do a share screen just yet, but I'm gonna open my embroidery application that it came with. It goes into the hoops at the top over here. I wonder if I can zoom in just a little bit more. It goes into the top of the hoops up over here, so there we go. I have some designs already. I bought these off of Etsy. Okay, with Sweet Pea font. So I'm gonna use 3 inches, and I'm gonna basically spell out her name. Because the way that my embroidery hoop is, I'm going to turn them all basically 270 degrees. And that's about it. I want to use like kind of an empty USB key. This one has like 8 gigs. Just make sure there's nothing else on it besides like your embroidery things. You're gonna go to the home button. This is for like my Genome, I think it's called, embroidery thing. This is write a design file down here. I'm gonna rename it to Scarlett. And then click on this, EMBF, and then throw it onto there. And then it should be on my USB key now. All I need to do is take my USB and throw it onto my embroidery machine, which is that baby over there. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. gonna take my USB stick here and I'm gonna put her in the USB slot on the side. Then I'm gonna go into the files, EMFB, USB stick, EMFB, and her name is Scarlett. So there we go. These two are extremely similar. They're pretty dang similar. Alright, and 30 minutes later, she is all done. It's stitched out stunning. Absolutely stunning.